In this video, I want to show you two things that will dramatically improve the use of your DJI Ronin. And the first one, and the most important, is the plate. That every time you have to screw under your camera and maybe remove the plate from your tripod to put this one, and then you come here, but there you have to push the button so it can slide inside. Then you have to center it carefully, and then you have to lock this. My proposition to improve the product is a plate that you can simply remove the camera just like that. So you can put it back. There we go. And you can remove it. There we go. It's a plate that is made by Newer that simply look like this. There's that little part on top here that you can see here that I did screw on the Ronin plate, and the other part is just right here. I've got one like this on every of my tripod, and I've got it under all of my camera, so all of my camera can just come here and fit there, and there you go. Well, actually for this one there will be a calibration to do, but you understand the point. All of my camera can go on all of my tripod just like that, and that's include my Ronin. The other upgrade is this little guy, the tripod that goes under here. It's the same principle. When you hold the camera in your hand while it is in function and you want to carefully use it, the last thing that you want to do is to screw that little thing under here. It doesn't go well, and well, I did find while using it that when I'm using the tripod, I don't want to have it because it's disturbing, so I put it into my pocket, but when I want to drop it, I need to put it back, and it takes some time. So I did put the same Newer plate right here so I can remove it and put it very quickly. And this plate that is from Small Grid, said plate, this tripod, well, it can open as quickly as this instead of taking all of the three one by one. It's just very simple. And if you want to remove the camera, I just lock it, remove it, do what I have to do, change the battery or whatever, and then I put it back, and then it's ready to use again. Huge improvement. Well, third one, bonus, those small rig handle, pretty much amazing. You just put it on the side over here, you lock it in place. You do that for both sides, and that create a very good handle. Quite amazing. So all of those three products are available in the description if you want to order it. From there, I do a commission out of it, so thank you. I hope this was helpful, and enjoy your Ronin. When you are in front of a client, those quickiness make a huge difference on your professional level. So you're welcome.